Hey, what's up, guys? Today I've got something super exciting for you. We're diving into the future of hacking and technology. So, buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First off, let's talk about hacking. Now, when most people think of hacking, they picture shady figures in dark rooms. But the reality is, hacking is evolving. White hat hackers are becoming the unsung heroes of the tech world. Imagine a future where cybersecurity experts are the rock stars, saving our data and keeping our digital lives safe. Sounds cool, right? Now, on to technology. We're on the brink of some mind-blowing advancements. Take quantum computing, for instance. It's not just a buzzword anymore. Quantum computers have the potential to solve problems that are currently unsolvable. Think about cracking complex encryption codes or simulating new drug molecules. The possibilities are endless. But that's not all. Have you heard of neural interfaces? Companies like Neuralink are working on technology that could let us control devices with just our thoughts. Imagine typing an email or playing a video game without lifting a finger. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie. And let's not forget about AI. Artificial intelligence is getting smarter by the day. We're talking about AI that can learn, adapt, and even create. Picture an AI artist composing a symphony or an AI chef designing the perfect meal. It's not as far-fetched as it sounds. Now, here's where hacking and future tech intersect. As technology advances, so do the methods used to hack it. Quantum computers might one day crack current encryption methods in seconds. Or AI could develop new ways to breach systems. But fear not. With these advancements, we'll also see new forms of defense. Cybersecurity will evolve, becoming more sophisticated and robust. So, what does the future hold? It's a mix of incredible opportunities and intriguing challenges. One thing's for sure, it's going to be an exciting journey. All right, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this dive into the future of hacking and technology, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace to ya.